1. Clean the damaged grout with white vinegar and water. That way you can see the exact color of the grout and buy new grout that matches it. Mix 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water in a bowl or bucket. Then, dip a clean toothbrush in the mixture and scrub the damaged grout until all the dirt and grime comes off. Wipe away the excess mixture with a cloth. 2. Buy new grout that matches the color of the damaged grout when it's dry. Now that the damaged grout is clean, you should be able to get an exact color match. The new grout you buy should come in powder form. You can buy grout at your local home improvement store. It may help to bring home color samples from the store and then hold them up to your grout to find a perfect color match. 3. Use a grout saw to remove the top 1/8 inch (0.32 centimeters) of damaged grout. A grout saw is a small handheld blade that fits between the gaps in tile. Use a grout saw that has a blade with a width that will fit between the tiles you're working on. Place the grout saw over the damaged grout and bring it back and forth, like you're scrubbing away the old grout. Continue until the top layer of the damaged grout has been broken up into pieces. Wear a dust mask while you're removing the old grout. 4. Vacuum up the broken pieces of the damaged grout. Use the hose attachment on your vacuum if it has one. Make sure all the pieces of the old grout are cleared out of the gap between the tiles before you add the new grout.